What is up, everybody? Welcome back to DJ. We're back at the shop. We're back at the shop. There's Alex. Say what's up, Alex. They've been doing all this work. There's Dover. See? Y'all been working. We've been out playing at Bowling Green. Yeah. But actually, you have been. You've been very busy. So we got to get you guys up to speed here. As you can see, the Turbo GT is on the lift here, but it's no longer a Turbo GT. So obviously we got to talk about this. So yeah, there's the turbo kit right there. Let's see. Let's go over here.
Stuff everywhere, man.
Yeah, it's literally stuff everywhere. So here is the new engine. As you can see, aluminum heads, trick flow intake, throttle body, all of that, and we're bolting the turbo kit on here. So the issue with the engine that was in this car, it had stock heads, stock throttle body, and some kind of mystery cam that we didn't know anything about. So it didn't run real good. This one, however, has the flow. So with the turbo, should do pretty good. All right, so the current project right now is a couple of things. First, the 8.8 is coming out. I'm gonna swap this old roll around 7.5 in. Taking off all the V8 fuel lines. Fuel tank is out. Taking the subframe connectors off, which I'm not going to touch. They got oiled down a little bit. But yeah, so if you're following along, you can see we got V8 swap stuff in progress here. Yeah. Looks like we're going to build a Calypso.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Turbo Calypso.
Soon, hopefully soon.
Very soon. Actually, I need to go out here and show you the Turbo Calypso and what all this greatness is going. What trans are we? We're doing the C4 then.
No, the TKO.
The TKO. Okay, so turbo, aluminum heads, TKO trans. It's gonna be a beast.
Hopefully.
Yeah. They run good.
It'll be something anyhow.
Yeah. And it won't need everything. All right, so let's run out here just so you guys know exactly what we're working with here. The Calypso car we went and got back before Mustang Week. If you didn't see the video, shame on you, go back and watch the video. But yeah, super clean Calypso 93. Got as a roller, it's got a bunch of parts, K-member, manual rack, all of that, but it's got a great body, and they had done a bunch of stuff on the interior. New carpet, you can see new sill plates, kick panels. Looks like they had done a lot of dyeing and stuff. I mean, the interior looks amazing. Brand new headliner, and then back here, rear seat delete, carpet's all new. I mean, this car's had a lot of work done to it. I mean, all the little stuff. Seats will not be staying, but that's another story for another day. Got the welds, got a brand new drag rail. So basically all of the stuff out of that white car that had the twisted body is going in this car. And this car's got a great body. The paint's not great, but it's 100% rust free. It's straight if the door shuts. Yeah. So as you can see, saving one, you know, putting all the stuff out of it into this. Great way to build a badass car.
Here, hold that wheel.
Huh?
Just hold that wheel.
All right. I don't think this one's ever had a gear in it.
I think it was a 308.
Yeah, 308. So enough. Ready for its new 7.5.
We got everything on it.
Yeah.
Quad shock, brake lines.
Quad shock brackets, everything.
Here we go. We're gonna stick this in.
Yeah, let's go stick it in.
Oh, we can stand it. Whoa. It's over. I don't want to have to lay on the ground. I don't like it. Fully stands.
You over here using good sense. What am I doing?
This type of stuff.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, there's the driver spring.
Oh, right there.
I figure we'll get these two front bolts in and then put the spring on. Raise it up some more.
Be good enough to roll around.
Yeah, but gotta come forward on that
Come
side.
over. Good?
I think the damn stand's hitting now.
Sure is.
The stand's hitting the body.
No, that's what's happening.
Maybe we can get the shock bolts in or something.
Move the sand
If
over.
it will, yeah.
You want to go up?
No, I think I can scoot it over.
Yeah. Yeah.
You got
You got a wheel jock out there.
The hell we need?
We'll let it rest up against the front end. 69.
Yeah. What we need brakes for anyway? Yeah. Like we got a caliper dragging up.
I said temporary spare flat.
It's pushing pretty good for being on a flat spare.
Ain't much sidewall, but that's why it rolls good.
Yeah.
Let's go right there.
Take it up in front of Adam's truck. Oh, we're getting there. What's your door there?
Good.
Perfect.
Come on, let it where the door go down here. I don't want to roll that way. Alright,
Yeah.
look at the rear end.
Success. Yeah. It might have a little wobble to it. It'd be all right though. Calypso in?
Let's go in.
Let's do it.
Yeah, he did a good job. Oh, one of the best cars. Something like this.
All right, get this thing in the air. Do something with it.
He's gonna put locks in the bag.
Yeah, gotcha. Yeah. Okay, member. Coilovers of some sort.
I got some lake wood on it.
Yeah. Thing solid as a rock though.
Very clean.
Yeah. Drop that 7.5 out.
That's got an 8.8 in it.
It's 88.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, they just swapped that.
Oh, yeah, okay, never mind. I thought we was putting that 8.8 in it.
No,
Never mind.
yeah,
Never
we need that
mind.
for something else.
Yeah, never mind. What was I thinking?
You're supposed to know these things, man.
I've been off playing at events. I'm kind of out of the loop. Yeah, fuel lines, brake lines.
Yeah, I gotta put shocks on the back. They just gotta put the rear end in here.
Yeah. Good solid car though.
Last no metal.
Just a little plastic clip.
Yeah. Christmas tree.
You pop it out.
All right. 4-cylinder lines out. Where the hell are the V8 ones? There they are. V8 lines about to go in. Nothing to it. Alright boys, we're pretty much gonna halt things there. You've seen us do a 4-cylinder V8 conversion. That's what's going on here. But you will definitely be around for the finished product. Yes, we got stuff everywhere. We got more Woo! But we do got some other projects. We gotta bust some tires off. We gotta charge Alex's air. And we gotta get some water for the shop because we're out here dying of thirst. Alright guys, so we need last ditch effort. I pulled these turbines out and we're gonna try. The powder coater says he can get these done in time. And I hadn't showed you yet, I've got the new tires at the house. But we're gonna bust these tires off, drop them off at the powder coaters today and just see, maybe. Very good possibility we'll have freshly powdered coater turbines for Pop's car. So I gotta get these unloaded. All right guys, so I got all the tires busted off the rim here and took all the weights and everything, valve stems. So we're gonna take them and drop them off at the powder coater, see what happens. The wheels are in good shape, they look crappy, but we're gonna see what happens when they're all powder coated. But also, got some cold air. Is she blowing cold, Alex? Getting there. Guys, if you didn't catch the video test driving the older truck, you need to go watch that video. This truck is monster.
Very fun.
Yes, this is I think we need to give Alex two big thumbs up on this one.
Got it all though.
Yeah. And then he's gonna do the paint correction and a little other details, and it's gonna be epic.
Spend lots of money on gas.
Yes. He says he's gonna keep his foot out of it. He's not gonna keep his foot out of it.
Yeah, I don't grab for that.
No, not at all. All right, guys, so that is gonna pretty much wrap it up. I'm sorry we were kind of all over the place. We got a bunch of projects going on. We're trying to knock them all out and just get stuff done. There's a lot of stuff going on. We're waiting on a lot of parts. I've got a lot of events. Again, we'll be in Dallas, Texas in 2 weeks, and then Charlotte the weekend after that. So LMR cruising, and then Foxtoberfest is gonna be epic. Hope to see you guys there. Pop's car will be there looking good. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go take a shower. If you enjoyed this video and you like all kinds of badassery that we did in this video, click thumbs up, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.